Hello guys, welcome to Start with Games. In today's video, I just want to make a recap on Nvidia. I made this video on Monday and I posted on my channel and I told you guys what I was looking for if we end up having a good report, and I'll play the clip, then after the video, I'll tell you guys what I'm looking at on Nvidia and where I'm expecting the price um, before the earnings that is coming up on the 20th. So on this video, I told you guys I'm up here to about 205 dollars. Yeah. As of today, we end up, you know, testing this new level of resistance. We had a new price here, which we push almost about $227. I'll play this clip, then after that, I'll show you guys what I'm expecting the price and what I'm looking at. Nvidia. I'll be expecting us, if we have a good job report, then I'm expecting Nvidia to push this price towards the upside. And my first level, of profit, this is gonna be our new all-time high. That's for Nvidia at this point. It's gonna be about 225. Then after this level right here, if we end up having a little bit pullback, then the next level will be around this 230. But if we end up having, a bad report, then I'll be looking for Nvidia to push the price towards the downside. Then few weeks from now, then I'll be expecting this move. And as you guys, that was the video today. And if we go here to the chart, this is where I made that video. That video was somewhere sitting right here. That was which was on Monday. And I told you guys that we have a good job report. See the price pushing towards the side. But if we have a bad report, which we had a good report, but the market had a sell-off, so we end up having this quick correction towards the downside. As you guys can see, that was on the 12th yesterday. Pushed the price towards 214 on Nvidia. And yesterday I got into this play. I told you guys before this very time that if we have any report, but the report was a good one, the market ended up having a sell-off. And that is because of some few stuff going on globally right now with Iran and this whole war stuff. But as you guys can see, we end up pushing the price all the way to $225, and we end up even going higher to about $227.85, like almost $28 on Nvidia. This was a good, nice play. So I got in yesterday. I got into a call yesterday. As you guys can see right here, I'm still in my position on Nvidia. I've not yet closed out of my position, but currently I'm up almost about close to about $400. I was up almost $500 when we were about 22.27, but I'm still holding on to my Nvidia. As you guys can see, the expiration is still there. I still got a little bit of time because they have earnings coming up on the 20th. So which I believe that they have possibility to beat their earnings. As you guys can see right here, they have their Q1 earnings for 2027, which they're expecting about, they're expecting about 79 billion. But as you guys can see, this is gonna be on the 20th of this month, which is next week. So I believe they have a good earnings, but they always beat all their earnings, all their expectations. So if they end up beating their earnings, I believe we have possibility for us to push, on Nvidia almost to about, let's say 240, on Nvidia. But right now, with a good earnings, then I'll be expecting more here. But right now, based on what I'm looking at right now, I believe we have possibility to push the price towards this 230, and possibility of us lifting 232 tomorrow. And this is what I'm looking at currently. And as you guys can see, bouncing off this level of support right here, 225.45. So if we open up tomorrow, if we, if the market gap up above this level of resistance, 227, then I'm seeing possibility of us hitting this 230, and if possible 232 on Nvidia. But but if we have any bad news coming into the market and we gap below, then I'll be looking for a quick correction, on Nvidia, which the next opportunity could be around somewhere around this 217, or somewhere towards 219 zone. If we end up selling off a little bit tomorrow, then this would be a good opportunity for you to get into Nvidia, push the price towards this 240, 250 before the earnings. So this is for Nvidia. And as of that same yesterday, I got into some play with Alibaba, and I got into Alibaba somewhere around there. So yesterday, excuse me, I got into Alibaba so yesterday somewhere around this price range on Alibaba before the close of the market yesterday. That was on the 12th. I got into a call for Alibaba because they had their earnings today. I wish like they have a mix, earnings. They beat some of the areas, but in terms of profit, they did not really do good. But as you guys can see, the stock ended up pushing crazy. As of today, we went from 132 all the way to 140, 140, 146. Then we end up closing around 145 on Alibaba. And why I'm making this video right now, this 15 minutes, as you guys can see right here, um, we have this break of structure right here, you know. So we have this break of structure, which I'm expecting a push towards the upside. That's coming into around Friday, depending on how they can react to it. But if we end up selling off, then next level of support for um, that's for Alibaba will be around 141, and if we lose 141, then the opportunity will be around 130. As you guys can see, got into that play yesterday, and and we end up almost about close to almost $500. This is just today. So just for Nvidia and Alibaba, but $1,000. Yeah. So what I'll be expecting from Alibaba, I'm expecting us to push this price towards this level of resistance around 151 before having any correction towards the downside on Alibaba before pushing the price back up. But if we end up opening tomorrow below this we open below 143, then I'll be expecting us, quick push towards the downside, then in preparation to push this price towards the upside on Alibaba. So you guys can see, we're already in profit for today on Alibaba. If you're gonna get into this, use of your stop loss. But so far so good. Uh, you know, we made some cash on Alibaba, okay, as you guys can see. So that's what I'll be expecting. I'm expecting more push towards the upside, and if we end up pushing all the way to 151, then I'll be closing my position on Alibaba. I'll take my profit for this very play. Then another opportunity that video this week ago was for IONQ, this quantum computer. And I told you guys that we were going to hit this 59. If you go back and watch my videos, then you should be able to see one of the videos that I did for this very stock. And if you pay more attention, then we're somewhere. I told you the guys that pushed out to five to this 59 level of resistance, which we did, and I ended up taking profit, closed my position and stuff yesterday on this very high Q. So holdings to my position that I close it out. But I'm planning to get into the play, you know, coming into tomorrow. I'm expecting more push towards the upside, towards to about 60 to about $60 to 65. Excuse me. About $60 to $65 will be my next target for IONQ. But so far, I closed out of my position. As you guys can see right here, I'm in profit. Took my profit and I get out of the play. That was before even the boom. So right now, I'm just watching. I'll see how the market plays tomorrow and Friday. And based on how these two remaining days play, then that will help me make good decisions with what to expect for next week. And for Alibaba, expecting us to push towards the upside again. But another new opportunity that I'm looking at right now, which I believe if the market keep looking bullish as of tomorrow on Friday, I'm seeing this push towards that will be towards this Oracle, right? Yep. So this is Oracle. If we go to what's the daily time? Yeah, let's see. So on Oracle right now, I believe we have possibility to push this price towards the upside. As you guys can see right here, we have this structure on this very time. On the daily, we have this structure right here. As you guys can see, we did bullish candlestick, and which was this, which is this very one right here. So, you know, as you guys can see, we have this corrected move. So what I'll be expecting tomorrow, Friday, I think we have possibility to push this price towards the 208 on Oracle, somewhere around 208. You know, coming into this week and next week, this is what but currently right now seeing. I believe as we end up having correction towards 180, then with this doji candle that I'm looking at, I believe we have possibility to push this price towards this 208 coming into the end of this week, next week, and possibility of us pushing the price all the way to 225 before having another quick correction towards the downside. So this is another opportunity if you're looking to make money. Then Oracle should be another opportunity for you if you feel like you miss out of Nvidia, miss out of Alibaba, miss out of IONQ. Then you know, based on what I'm looking at right now, Oracle has some potential to push the price towards the upside coming in, coming into tomorrow and Friday, possibility of next week. I believe you know, we have possibility to push this price towards the upside. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys. I've not been feeling too well since yesterday, so that's why I didn't really make video. And from the way I'm talking, you should notice from my voice. But with all that being said, these are what I'm looking at right now, Alibaba, and I believe there are still more rooms for Nvidia to push towards the upside all the way to about two about 240, 250 before the earnings. And if they have a good report, then I believe Nvidia could definitely go close to about, let me see what to expect coming into Nvidia. Let's go on weekly. As you guys can see on the weekly time here, we had this structure during, yeah, if you go on the daily, this was a good touch right here. This was a good indication, you know. We had this break of structure, then we had this positive move towards the downside. So if you were to pay attention to the video that I did, you would have more rooms to make money towards the upside. But as you guys can see, if you were to get into this play uh, was it? This was May 5th. That was last week. So if you were to get in here at 196, then you would have been in a on on Nvidia. But I believe we still have more rooms to push towards the upside since their earnings are, just right in the corner. And so if we have a good report, then I see this pushing almost to 160, sorry, to 260 on Nvidia. I'm not calling Nvidia to hit 260, but I believe we have possibility. If we end up closing above, if we end up closing this week and next week somewhere 245, 250, then I have, that 100% mind believe that push this price all the way to 260 and even more. But for now, this is all I have for you guys. And for those that like the video, I just want to appreciate you guys. And I hope to make more videos and bring more opportunity. Right now, I don't know. I'm not feeling too good, but I'll see how Friday works out. If I feel better tomorrow, then I'll make few videos for new so for some new play that I'm looking for potentials for the next 3 to 6 months from now. Anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening.